This is just trickling down into this. Hard to complain about that. That is beautiful. The start of a 4-day fall tour of some awesome fishing. What do you think, Gregory?
Pretty excited for it. Been looking forward to this for a while. Hopefully some colored up fish, brookies and tigers, and
So I think I'm gonna try to make a multiple part video. So stay tuned for that. I was just about to turn the camera back on.
I'm getting out of your way.
And hooked into a colored up brookie. This is why we came.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. He's not happy either. Not happy at all. Yeah, dude. He's so colored up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah, dude.
Dang.
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh. Dude, nothing fights like big brook trout, man. Yeah!
Oh, yeah. Calm down slightly. Dude, that's a big old colorful brookie. Oh, man.
Okay. Guys, I have to show you this.
Right.
Look at this thing.
Okay. Dude. Sweet.
Alright, guys. Let's get you a good look at this brookie. Look at this thing. What a sloth. Dude, see you later, buddy. So cool.
So freaking cool.
Well, I wanted a colored up brookie.
You
I found one.
You got it.
I don't think that's going to be the only one this weekend.
I don't think so either. That's cool. I'm glad to see it that much color already.
Same. That thing was colored up, dude. Oh,
I think that was the bottom.
Leave that for a second.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Boom, he's on.
There we go.
Let me
It wouldn't be too long.
get my hands on the net.
Decent fish.
And Gregory is on. How does it feel, Gregory?
Wonderful.
What do they say about the tug? Like
I believe they say it's the drug or something like that.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Haven't seen that all over Instagram in a minute. It's like this
Oh
morning.
yeah.
Yeah, decent fish, huh?
Yep.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Oh yes. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. Oh yeah.
Heck yeah. It's funny how towards the end of summer they went to pretty much just black leeches, man. When it comes to leech meats anyway.
They love black.
Oh yeah. And it works
Makes
all
you
year,
wonder
but...
if as the season goes on, the colors change. All colored up too.
Oh yeah. Gorgeous.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Not happy. He ain't happy with me. He's a little pissed.
Like I was saying, no, like when it comes to cold water species, big brook trout are just the best fighters, dude.
Oh man. Yeah, see if I can steer them to you. Right in the beak.
Great fish, buddy. Great fish. Yep.
Heck yeah, there we go.
Oh, dude.
Yep. That is good.
Oh, dude. Look at the colors of that guy. Oh my gosh, Greg. Alright. That's one of those ones where it's awesome to let him go, but it kind of hurts that the moment's over. Gorgeous. Look at that thing. See you later, buddy. How freaking cool was that?
Definitely elk.
That is definitely elk, bro. That is so cool. I don't know if that'll pick up on the camera, but we can hear elk bugling off in the distance, which is super neat. Yeah, buddy.
Nope, I was on weeds.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, bro. If you were starting to lose hope, you had a hit in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Seriously though, huh?
I know, right?
You're so impatient, Greg.
I know it. One of my many, many downfalls. Oh yeah. Super pretty.
Come on, bud. Probably the smallest fish of the day so far. Still a fantastic brook trout.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The colors on these guys is unreal. Eggs on. I wonder if they're kind of swimming around together in schools, dude.
I think they are. Can't tell. Did he take that sour leaf?
I don't know.
I can see the other. You know, they could be cruising around kind of in a school.
What do you got? What do you got there?
It's not as colorful, that's for sure.
No.
That was a little tiger, if it's just a... No, I think it's a brookie. Not nearly as colored up.
No.
Not a scrapper, though. Holy cow.
Yep. Come get in this net with your buddy. I've just been keeping this guy wet.
Yep. That's the smallest fish of the day, but still a respectable brook trout. Right in that hard spot.
Yep.
Oh, came out. Cool.
Look at this, guys. There's 2 brookies in the go. And we've got another one right out here somewhere. See if we can get him to play. Boom, got him. Dang. Not a very big one.
That's alright.
There's another one, dude. They're going nuts. This is a tiger.
Really?
Yeah. We grabbed the net.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wondering about the tigers in this lake.
Heck yeah. That's a 14-inch tiger.
Mm-hmm. We'll take him.
Heck yeah.
How cool is that? My first tiger out of this lake. I've known that they were here for quite a while, but come here, bud. Not huge by any means, but cool fish nonetheless. Right on, buddy. See you later, dude. How cool was that? Lake number 1.
Yeah, it's a success. That was fun.
On our journey Many more to come. We're at spot number 2. This is where we're gonna camp. We gotta hike up to a lake and go fish first, but we found this cool little camping spot. Nice fire pit already made. And the lake we're going to is up there. So, pretty cool. Lake number 2. After a moderately difficult hike. Been on worse. Much worse. And 3 times as far too. So, not too shabby. But here it is. There's big cutthroats and some tigers in here. Should be fun to see if we can get into any. Man.
Out there, like off the point. I think you were pointing out over there.
Yeah. This is fantastic. Added a dropper tag. Oh, that was quite odd. But I was just flicking a rock. There we go. Mystery dropper tag. I'm not going to tell anyone what it is unless I catch a fish on it. Which I'm going to right now. Well, maybe not, but right now. Nope. It's a big one. But it was a good one. Yeah. It was shaped kind of like those first 2 fish we caught this morning. But it was a cutthroat. I would have been quite happy with it. Not gonna lie. But here I am, being disappointed instead. Being disappointed instead. I wish they called it catching, you know? Got one.
Yeah,
got one. That was cool too. I watched him come over for it. It's not a huge fish, but I will take it. It's not a bad fish either by any means. Check out that beautiful cutthroat. Colorado River Cutty. Not. This is just trickling down into this. Hard to complain about that. That is beautiful. I gotta get more pictures of that. How freaking cool is that? Greg's got one on the hopper. I haven't had my camera on for the last bit because it's been slow for the last little while.
Little cutty.
That's
Take him.
easily as big as the one I caught, if not a little bigger.
Yeah.
Probably a little bigger.
A little bigger.
It definitely is.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
It's way bigger. That's a really nice fish, dude.
Yeah, it is. It's a good fish. Came and ate the dry. Heck yeah.
Ate the hopper.
Ate the hopper after getting denied on the hopper once, and they wouldn't even look at it the rest of the day. He finally ate it.
That's a freaking toad cutty, dude.
Yeah,
it really
it's a big
is.
one, dude. It's a very nice fish.
Much nicer than the one I caught. It was hard to tell at first.
It was, wasn't it? I agree. I felt it. I could feel it.
But
he
as
was heavy.
soon once he got
fish,
down
but...
in here, I was like, oh man, that one's way bigger than I thought it was.
Oh yeah.
That's so cool.
Heck yeah. Super pretty. Yeah, right? Nice and fat.
Yep, football shaped, pointy beak. Bring him on over.
Yeah, in a second.
I'm glad we made a little cutthroat detour.
Yeah, me too. I'm very, very glad about it.
Especially now, huh?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Come here, little guy.
Super pretty.
Yep.
All right.
Big one too.
He's about ready.
Nice male. Really nice male. That's a big fish, dude.
That is a stud fish. Oh my gosh.
That is a big fish, bro.
Beast.
That's a toad.
That's one of the ones we've been looking for.
Mm-hmm. I had a feeling that you might catch one. Yep. Yep.
All right.
Look at that fish, guys. And try to tell me that that is not like
One of the prettier.
everything that you could ever ask for in a trout. Showing me up, that's the fish of the day so far. Easy.
It is. Beautiful Colorado River cutty. Just look how tall. Holy crap. All right, here we go, bud.
See you later, guy.
Oh, and there he goes.
How cool was that?
We took the dropper.
Greg's on another one. Showing me up now. It was because I said something earlier about how I was out fishing him.
Yep, and I couldn't let that stand.
I know.
Oh, that's a decent fish. Not as big as the last one, for sure.
All right, I'm coming to help you. Begrudgingly. But not really. Yeah, it's a decent one.
Yeah, good fish. He's got a lot of fight in him, that's for damn sure.
Very nice. Very,
Dude,
very
you might want to go with the dry dropper thing.
That's what I am doing.
You are? Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I think it's definitely that time of day where for some reason this might be it.
Come on, Greg.
Give me a second.
Put some muscle into it.
I ain't breaking him off or losing him.
Come on.
It's the second best fish I've caught at this lake. Here he comes. With my like 85-foot leader.
Got him. It's a really good one.
Thank you. Yeah, heck yeah, it is.
Pretty. The spot pattern is fascinating.
It is.
Serious. Look at his spots.
It's wonderful.
What's your dropper?
Here's your guide choice.
Sweet. You ever get sick of catching fish on my flies?
Hell no. What kind of silly question is that, bud?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, come on now.
Come on, little buddy. Dude. Sweet fish.
Yeah, real sweet fish.
I'm a fan.
Oh, got him right in the jaw. There he goes.
For the gram. 4.
No, he's pissed. There he goes.
See you later, buddy.
See you, dude. Thanks for playing.
Nice. That was cool.
Yeah.
Yep. Little downhill walk back to the camp.
Yep.
Get some fire and dinner going.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Day 1 of 4. Not totally in the books, but the fishing portion anyways.
Yep. We caught a few decent ones though.
But the scenery is superb. fantastic. Yeah, we caught a few decent ones.
Yeah, maybe we worked for them, but yeah, we did catch some good ones.
Yeah,
for sure.
That lake was a lot more work than the first one we went to.
Yes, definitely.
Unfortunately, the first lake, which is usually, there's usually no one around, had like a weird polygamist colony hanging out there with a bunch of rabid dogs and horses, but
yes, the horses were frothing at the mouth also.
Yeah,
it was creepy.
They're especially rabid. Luckily they had them tied up. Here's our camp. I sleep back here along this side. All the stuff that we want to keep away from bears stays here. Door's locked. This is our little fire pit. And that is Greg's tiny tent.